So today we're down here at Pro Marine in St. Petersburg, and this customer's 30-foot game fish comes pre-rigged with the engine flush connections for these 300 Yamahas. What we've done is we've upgraded that flush connection from that OEM Perco style fitting to a stainless steel quick connect fitting that's easy to use. So before you get started in this project, understand what size fitting you need to have installed into the stainless steel quick connect. We have the 1/2 inch barb installed, but it also comes included with the 3/8 inch barb. We've gone ahead and replaced the 1/2 inch barb with the 3/8 inch barb that comes included in the fitting. Our stainless steel quick connect has the same footprint and the same screw pattern as the existing fitting. So once you've removed that and you've tightened up the plumbing on the new fitting, reinsert and you can use the existing screw pattern in the gel coat. Our stainless steel quick connect comes with a molded rubber gasket for the installation. As you reinstall, make sure that you have that rubber gasket in place and seated correctly. That rubber gasket goes in between the stainless steel fitting and the boat itself. So why would I want to swap out from the original OEM equipment to the stainless steel Flushmaster fitting? Well, one of the main reasons is when the engines are running, the system has a back pressure on that OEM cap, and that cap actually leaks from the screw hole itself. With our stainless steel quick connect by Flushmaster, you no longer have any leaks associated with it because this is a leak-free cap and it's a twist lock design. With the reroutes now installed, you no longer have to climb out onto the transom and make that awkward and unsafe connection leaning over the engine to get to the flush connection. Now that we have the reroutes installed, untwist the cap, connect the hoses from the Flushmaster to the reroute. Once you press on and start, this 30-minute task of flushing twin Yamahas is complete in under a minute. If you're interested in any of our Flushmaster products, you can find them online at flushmaster.com or a dealer near you.